Trust me, till here we done, I guess. And even data frame also. I remembered. If you forget, I remembered actually. Till here we done. But it's my responsible. I will give a small recap. You will get an idea. So there is a file. From that file, we are creating a data frame. We are creating what, Sajji? Data frame. Daniel, on top of this data frame, do you want to kind of some information actually? So kind of some data frame object information. Then you need to call attributes. You need to call what, Sajji? Attributes. I wanted to know information. What do you mean by that? Number of rows and columns actually. I wanted to know. Shape attribute. Am I right? I wanted to display all name of the columns. Columns attribute. Respective like that. Daniel, I wanted to apply operations. I wanted to apply what, Sajji? Operation.
Methods.
What do you mean by that? If you wanted to apply operation, kind of some top 5 rows actually, yeah, there is a head method. Chapan sir, there is a head method. Then next one, this is the first 5 rows. You can just have to imagine like that. The next one, can you tell me? Last 5 rows. It is called as a last 5 rows actually. The next one. Daniel, I wanted to know info. I wanted to know what's info actually. Kind of some data frame object, details. Then you need to call info method. What method? Respectively would have a method. I wanted to apply sorting actually. What is the method? Yeah, sorting you can apply. Right? I wanted to apply filtering. I wanted to apply what's filtering. Then you should know Boolean condition. You should know what condition? These are all we done. Trust me. Right? And even the next one will be, Daniel, I wanted to apply group by. I wanted to apply what, Sajji? Group by. This is currently running one actually. So simple, what we are doing is, once you are having the data frame, you should know these are all respective operations. One of the operation is called as a group by. Madam, one of the operation is called as a, yeah, good. If you apply group by, what happen, group by operation. Back end 3 operations are happening. There are 3. It's not like a one operation. The first one, splitting the data. Data is splitting according to the similarity actually. Can you tell me the next one? Apply operation. Which operation you want? Data splitted. Data is ready. Splitted actually. Which operation you want? Either size or count, sum, up to you actually. The moment once you apply size, the splitting data, it is going to be combined and it is giving the result actually. So the point is splitting, apply operation, combine the result. One more time. Splitting, apply operation, combine the result. That's what we did. Group by method returns group by object. One more time I need. Group by method returns. That's what we did, right? In a last week we done, these are all transactions. What transactions Sajji? First one, customer wise transaction. Best example, all you guys are Amazon customers. End of the day or end of the quarter or end of the off year or end of the year, I'm sure Amazon will do. I wanted to know each customer wise operation. Why? From that they will come to know, who ordered more items, who ordered less items actually. They will get an idea. The next one, product wise transaction also they needed details. From that they will get to know clear picture which product is selling more and which product is selling less. Analysis actually, boss. Analysis. Next one, date wise product transactions. Can you tell me? Date wise. See, anyway we already done here product wise. I wanted to know date wise, so that I will come to know clear picture. Either weekend more sales, weekend more sales or weekday more sales. They will come to know actually. Am I right or not, sir? So generally Monday to Sunday. If you know the date wise product transaction, which date? That date is what? Monday or Sunday or Saturday. They will come to know actually. That's what date wise product transactions are very, very important. You can keep according to the order. What is the first order we kept actually? Date and product. Even the second one also almost similar. But here what we kept first, Sajji? Product. Product and this is what exactly? Day. 2 columns. The next one, date wise customer transaction. Here we already done customer wise transaction. Customer wise transaction. Go back to the demote actually. If it is a weekend, if it is what, Sajji? More sales actually. You cannot catch the queue also. Yeah, there is a reason actually. Instead of they need to know product wise transaction, they wanted to know especially kind of some date wise actually. What exactly, man? They will get ready. Imagine if every Saturday there is a huge floating actually, they will get ready with the products actually. They will recruit, all the sales boys, something like this, right? Good, sir. we done these are all. Do you wanted to see the visualization picture? Did I uploaded this image? Images upload చేశాను నేను. Yeah. So the good news is group by goes in another 20 minutes. We can close this. After that we are going to start the new topic. Yeah, Daniel, the first one is called as a, can you tell me? Customer wise transaction. Tell me, sir. Customer wise. Sir, you know, intentionally I have taken small data set. Why, Daniel? So that you can compare. You can what, Saji? Compare. Right? So Daniel, really 3 times actually. You can just open it a notepad plus and you can compare. Next one. Product wise transaction. Tell me, sir. Product wise transaction. Good. When you apply group by, left hand side, it is index actually. Left hand side, the first index. Yeah, Daniel, first index. Back end water operation, it applies, you know, first to unique operation. Chapana, sir? Yeah, unique operation. Daniel, of course, in the data set, there are many number of times, but it is displaying only one time actually. After that, it is sorting the data. After that, it is what, Saji? Sorting the data. We have seen these are all actually. Okay, remember this. Product wise transaction. Right? Date wise product transactions. One more time. Date wise product transaction. Order is date and product. Same story. Date wise product transaction, but order is swapped. We just trying to keeping the first one is a product name. The next one is what, Saji? Date actual. That's what we done. Okay. This is something like a date wise customer transaction. Can you tell me? Date wise customer transaction. That's what we did. This one will be Daniel, I just wanted to know each customer how much money they spent on the product. Each customer how much money they spent over the product. They spent over what, Saji? Product. Maybe Kindle paper white. I spent 20,000 rupees. Who spent actually? Daniel. Right. Sofa set, how much I spent actually? This information is really needed, sir. This information is really needed actually. Okay. So we done these are all. This one is the last one, I guess, actually. We are entering, sir. Before starting the session, I need a small information. Anything is pending from my side actually. Right. So first one PDFs. The next one running notes. The next one mostly the data sets actually. That's what. Apart from that, nothing. I need a response from me. Anything is pending? No, nothing. I know actually. But if unfortunately if anything is pending, do let me know. I can upload immediately. Why? Because if it is pending from my side, even preparation also pending from your side actually. That's what. I don't want to. Right? Fine. We are good to go, sir. One. All right, it's the right time. Get the data set. What is the data set name? Sales 5. This group by is supposed to close on Saturday itself, but around some 20 minutes I spent over interview discussion, I guess, actually. Am I right? There are, yeah, I'm able to recall. I know why it is pending. I supposed to close in last week itself. All right, Saji. So can somebody help me import pandas as PD? Import what, Saji? Pandas as PD. DFA goes to PD underscore CSV. And madam, what is the file name? Sales 5 dot. While loading the file name should be match. Otherwise, nice. Yeah, we have a data frame, Daniel. All right, sir, we have a data frame. What we know, these are all. Daniel, customer wise, how much money they spent over the product. Previously, we are getting the result as a series. Can I convert this result into data frame? You can do search. Then there is one keyword argument. What is that keyword argument? As underscore index. As underscore. This one is a keyword argument. In a keyword argument, name should be match. Otherwise, type error. What error? What is the description? Unexpected keyword argument. See, only for that error I am asking description. All other errors are not much important actually. I mean, description is not important. Description and important kaadu, దీనికి important. Oh, very nice, man. Listen carefully. Each customer, total how much money they spent actually. Each customer, they done shopping, right? Total how much money they spent actually. Then why this report? Why this report, Sachi? From this report we will come to know who spent more money and who spent less money. Repeating again, who spent more money and who spent what, Sachi? Less money. Good, let me know who spent more money here actually. First one, Daniel. What is the last one? Shahid, sir. Who spent very less money? Partha, very intelligent person actually. So he don't like shopping, I guess. Am I right? Yeah. So move on. Let's apply this. So yeah. So you can just have to call this one. Get ready, sir. I need A equals to df dot group by. You need to apply here group by actually. Daniel, what is the column name? Prepare a column, mail ID. Prepare a column, mail ID. Now, syntax is important. Last week I covered actually. And here what you are applying sum I need to apply here over the product cost actually. Or what exactly mean? Product cost. Get ready. Product cost column is required. Product cost column is required actually. Alright, then A dot sum, then you will get a final result. You will get what exactly, sir? Final result. Okay? Yeah, we are good to go. Let me just try to print what exactly, sir? Result. Can I ask a question? Yeah, Daniel, you can ask. Sure. Can somebody tell me what is a read underscore CSV function? What is a group by? Method. What is a sum? Method. What is a print? Good, nice. Let's move on. That's it, man. This is so called as a customer wise how much money they spent. I would like to say this is the 6th we already done. Let me just try to create a snap. I need to upload today also all these images again. I will delete the old one. This is so called as a 7, I guess. Go back to the group by images and Daniel 7. Customer wise how much money they spent on shopping, on products. That's still okay. Anything you can say. Shopping or products actually. Yeah, yes sir. Daniel, why? Yes sir, this is talking very nicely. So they will come to know, okay, so Daniel and Shahid, let us send kind of some coupons actually. Why? Because these guys are doing more shopping. And when it comes to know Partha not spending, so money actually, still Amazon will pull the legs actually. They will send notifications. They will send in your cart you have added a few items, and nowadays you can see 2 rupees reduced, 3 rupees reduced actually. If you are opening, first of all, will you do shopping? మీరు షాపింగ్ చేస్తారు ఆన్లైన్లో యాక్చువల్. చూడండి కొన్ని ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. లెట్ మీ టేక్ దిస్. కస్టమర్ వైజ్ how much. Now I have a question. This is customer wise, right? This is what, Sachi? Customer wise. Look at the next report చూడండి మీరు. Yeah, this is quite interesting. This report is called as a product wise revenue. Talk with me. Yeah, product wise revenue. Every company they wanted to know each product revenue. I wanted to know. Through that I will come to know which products I need to import, which product I need to export actually. Am I right or not, sir? Right, sir. Which product more money generated? Any idea? iPad. How much actually? Oh, 70,000. Very nice. Which product less money? Which one, sir? LG washing machine. How much? Oh, I thought 30,000. My first mobile is HTC. But anyway, that is not in the question. LG washing machine is 25,000 actually. Am I right or not, sir? So here you no need to touch any code actually. Just what you need to change, Sarji? Product name, column name you need to change. Yeah. Then let me just try to provide here. Chappan sir, product underscore name. Product. While you are accessing the column, column name should be matched. Otherwise, key error. What error? Key error actually. Key error. You should know how to access a single column, multiple columns. These are all things actually. Sorry, sir. Yeah. Product wise revenue. One more time, can you tell me? Product wise. Yeah, Daniel. So this is so called as a we wanted to know. Snap. From old batch, previous student, there was a student name is a Charan. There was a student name is a Charan. He learned with us actually. He went for interview. Trust me, around some 20 minutes discussion, only group by. No other question they didn't ask actually. He got selected. Company name is a Tiger Analytics. Maybe he is in Hyderabad only. If time permit, let me invite him actually. So, oh my God, he prepared very nicely. All our material actually. I asked during interview what they asked. Sir, whatever you covered group by, I explain actually. They released offer. Group by is that much important, sir. Sometimes only one chapter is enough to check your performance actually. Out of all pandas topic, group by is complex one. If you prepare group by very well, then other topics they never ask actually. Right? Make a note on this. Group by is very, very important. Eighth one. Product wise, revenue generated actually. Product wise, how much revenue generated? How much revenue generated actually? Okay. Okay. We are good to go, boss. Let's take this one. So we done almost 11 examples we did. Simple. Simple, sir. First one, customer wise, how much money they spent. Second one, product wise revenue. Next one, date wise revenue. What is the next one? Date wise. Yeah, seems to be this date is more revenue actually. Why? There might be a festival or else big billion day. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, that is called as insight actually. Which day less, sir? Which day less? 15,000. 10,000. Ekkada, madam? Oh, exactly. 1031. Very nice. Very nice. From this, we'll come to know which day no business, which day more business. Which day more business actually. Sir, do I need to touch the code actually? No. Just to change the, maybe you observed or not, last 3 example, just I'm changing the name of the column. You are getting new report. You are getting what, Sachi? New report actually. This is so called as a date wise. How much revenue they generated? Date wise. Sachi? Date. Nice, very nice. Yeah. Please. Give me some space. Definitely. 9. Date wise. Date wise, how much revenue generated? Perfect. Then almost these are all nice images actually. Okay. Now, did I capture the code here? No, Daniel. You can add the code here actually. Good. We are good to go. We are almost very near, Sajay. Oh, very nice. So seems to be there is a column. Column name is a product price. Product cost actually. Each product cost, and we are calling a method. Method name is a describe. What is the method name? I just wanted to know statistical information. I wanted to know what such a statistical information. Information about price tag. What tag, sir? Price tag. Then you need to call it describe method. But anyway, we need to call. We just need to call describe method. Anna. What method? Describe method. Trust me, this is upcoming topic. During math I will cover. Why? Because there is a lot to discuss here actually. During math I will cover. But still, what I can do, So let me just try to capture the data frame. Yeah, data frame is ready. Easy. These are all very easy. Dot. No memory space. Alright, sir. So let us just try to take product cost, Can I access a single column? You can access, Daniel. While you're accessing a single column, column name should be matched. If column name is not matching, one more time. Very nice, key error. Key error, no doubt in that actually. Before error comes, you have to tell what is that error. Then that is a good practice. Adi manchi practice. Adi practice. Okay. Control V. You are trying to accessing a single column. That's it. We done. Now on top, first of all, series. Chappan sir. On top of this one, can I call a method? Method name is a describe. While you are accessing method, method name should be matched. Otherwise, oh, very good. You guys are very good in preparation. Attribute error. What error, sir? One more time. Attribute error. Actually, these are all statistical information. What do you mean by statistical information? Count, mean, minimum, maximum, Q1, Q2, Q3. It is called as a quartile 1, quartile, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, something like this. Anyway, we are getting kind of some lot of digits actually. I need only 2 digits. Then what we need to do? There is a method name is a round. So I just wanted to make it round up for 2 digits. You can see actually. Easy, boss. Trust me, easy. You should know Python. You should know Python actually. Python. I have a question for you. Can somebody tell me what is describe? One more time. Method actually. Method. Nice. Sir, the last 2-3 examples, then we can close the discussion. Then we can close what such a discussion actually. Good. So seems to be till now we covered almost individual operations. Almost what such a individual operation. First of all, let me tell you the strategy. Daniel, what is the requirement? Till now we done this. Till now we done this actually. We done this. What we done? Df equals to kind of some blah blah blah. We have a data frame. PD dot what exactly? Read underscore CSV. And what is the file name, madam? Okay. Then Daniel A equals to chaptara df dot group by df dot what exactly? Group by, and here we specified there is a column. Respect to columns we specified actually. So just imagine I have created a columns above actually. Columns equals to dot. That's still okay. Now here on top of this one a dot some method we are calling. What we are calling? When I say method, we call count method. We call size method. We call what exactly? Count method. We call even sum method. Respectively, we call actually. Am I right? That's what it is happening. So the point, every time you are calling individual method. I mean to say, depends on your requirement. You are calling size, you are calling count, you are calling sum actual. But Daniel, here is a point. This is okay. It's okay. It's okay to call. It's okay to call like this actually. To call. But frankly speaking, I don't have much time. I don't have what exactly, sir? Much time. I wanted to apply all these operations in one shot actual. Listen carefully. I wanted to apply size, count, sum, all these in one shot actually. Yeah, you can call, right? So can I call all these methods one time? Can I call all these what exactly methods one time actually, one time? Sir, you can call actually. How to call, you know? So just try to follow. Below is the solution. The solution is as below actually. Listen carefully. Same story till here to here. Actually. Same story. Yeah. Then here result equals to a dot. There is a one method, sir. That method name is a AGG. What is the method name? One more time. AGG means aggregate operations. What operation? All arithmetic operations are called as aggregate operations actually, right? Here you need to specify a dictionary. Here then you need to create one small dictionary. Inside this dictionary, you need to specify what all things you need to specify, you know, Sarji. Hey boss, first column, I wanted to apply sum operation. Second column, column symbol, comma. I will tell you step by step. Second column, I wanted to apply kind of some count method. Third column, I wanted to apply kind of some other method actually. Respectively, you can call these zero. Can I get a response from you? Yeah. So the point is, previously, we called all methods individually. Count we called separately. Sum we called separately. Size we called separately, Anna. But Daniel, I don't have a time, please. Can I call all methods in one shot actually? Each column, each method you can call. Then you need to know one method. That method name is Chaptara AGG. AGG means aggregate method. Aggregate method. But that aggregate method takes dictionary as a parameter now. Madam, dictionary as a. So create a dictionary. Create a dictionary. Dictionary means key value pair. Key should be name of the column. Value is operation name. Value is what, Sachi? Operation. Madam, are you clear? Now, let me execute this actually. You will get a nice idea. How nice it is, Daniel. Yes, it is nice. In real time, we are using more this actually. In real time, ఎక్కువ దీన్ని యూస్ చేస్తాం. I supposed to start directly from here, but if I start directly from here, you will get a confused. That's what I covered. These are all operations. Now you will get a clarity. I will always go from basic. Then advanced you will understand very easily. Advanced you will understand what such very easily. Online team, how are you? Are you following? Chappan sir, how are you?
Sir.
Mukhtar sirji, anything is possible in Pandas sir. Anything is possible. First column if you wanted to sort, second column if you wanted to sort. Ayo sir, with my whole experience I'm telling no limitation in Pandas. No limitation. Trust me on this. Okay? As limitation ledu Pandas ki. Pull. I'm introducing aggregate method. AGG method actually. Aggregate method. Yeah, first I will show you one small example. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. Okay? Yeah, first of all, sir, same report. This is kind of some date wise, product, date wise, product, revenue. Product, what exactly meant? Revenue. Hey Daniel, so and so date. iPad sold out actually. What is the total revenue it is generated? 70,000 boss. How much actually? Next one. So and so date. LG washing machine. What is that revenue generated actually? 25,000. Same thing even we got previously. But there is no column name at top actually. There is no column name at top. Did you notice? Yeah, good. Now let me just try to continue. Guys, through practice only you will come to know. If you really done previous group by example, these examples are very easy. So if you are not done, I request you, please finish that previous practice actually. You will get an idea. Come on, sir. I can just try to erase the previous code. I can just try to rerun in front of you. You will get an idea. Let me close everything, Daniel. Please. What method I am planning to work actually? Any idea? Can somebody help me? Aggregate method. Chappan sir. Aggregate method. Aggregate method. Yeah, data frame is loaded. DF. Data frame is ready. Pandas is quite interesting. Data frame is ready, Daniel. Data frame is ready. Data frame is ready. We'll do one thing. Let's prepare a dictionary. Oh, why dictionary, Daniel? Hold on, I will tell you. Yes, dictionary is ready. In dictionary, what I'm taking, sir. Okay, then here I need to cover one important point actually. Let me cover that point. Okay, point cover chestan chudanడి. Let me delete this. Equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Print off. I need sum of all these values. What I need to do? Did you remember? There is a function. Function name is a sum. There is a function. Function name is what, Sachi? Sum. We need to call this sum function. Yeah. It is called as a cumulative sum. Chappan sir? Cumulative. What do you mean by cumulative? First value will be added on to the next value. Then total result is a 30. Again that 30 will be added on to the next value, 60. Again this 60 will add on to the respective all other values. This is called as a cumulative sum. What sum? Yeah, good. Sum is a predefined function here. What it is? Sum is a... Yeah, sir, what you can do, Hold on. Listen carefully. Dictionary, one small dictionary. Here, Daniel, I do have a kind of some, there is a key, the key is a kind of some product cost, and here, respectively, yeah, some, please, I need your response. I'm sure you already know dictionary. Dictionary means key value. Chapman sir, key value. Anyway, key is a string, sir. Anyway, key is what, Sajid? Value is name of the function possible. Value is what, Sajid? Then in output, what you will get, మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఇలా వస్తుంది. అయ్యో, I need to print dictionary, right? Yeah. Make a note on this one. Oh, product cost, key actually, built-in function. What it is? Built-in function. That function name it is we are displaying actually. In Pandas, I will tell you how to use this one. I wanted to apply sum over product cost. I want here you are specifying just name of the operation. Chapter sir, that name of the operation is a function name. Minimum you can apply, maximum you can apply, sum you can apply. These are all things you can apply actually. First of all, this example you should have a dictionary can store function name. Yes, can store function name as a value. That's what you need to be understood. Possible subject. Now this example is helping here actually. Where it is helping, now go back to the code. Go back to our code actually. Can somebody help me, sir? Import pandas spd. Chaptara import pandas spd. df equals to pd.read_csv. What is the file name, sir? sales5.csv. Now let me just try to print the data frame. Aggregate method I am explaining.